The film industry was set in motion in 1891 when Thomas Edison successfully demonstrated the kinetoscope, a tool that allowed one person at a time to view moving pictures. A few years later, in Paris, 1895, the Lumiere brothers debuted Workers Leaving the Lumiere Factory, a short film widely regarded as the first commercialized movie. In 1927, Hollywood released The Jazz Singer, the first feature-length movie to include audio. This ushered in the golden age of film, dominated by major studios such as MGM and Warner Brothers. The introduction of the blockbuster then took movies to a whole new level, with franchises such as Jaws in 1975 and Star Wars in 1977. Today, streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon continue to transform the way viewers consume movies.